Hello everyone, Marcus from Saliba, and with this week's market update. There's a steady wave of confidence returning to the market, and we're seeing it reflected in the Hornsby Shire as well. Let's start with the big picture. The Reserve Bank of Australia held cash rates steady at 3.85% in July, signalling a cautious pause as inflation continues to ease. Market expectations are likely rate cut in August, which would further support borrowing conditions. Zooming in on Sydney, CoreLogic data shows dwelling values rose 0.6% in June and 1.1% over the last quarter, with annual growth sitting around 1.3%. Sydney's median home value remains high at $1.21 million, maintaining its position as the most expensive capital city in Australia. At the same time, total listings across Sydney are down 5.8% year on year, creating tighter competition among buyers. While detailed suburb-level data from Hornsby Shire isn't publicly available on CoreLogic, the broader North Shore and Northwest regions, which include Hornsby, are reflecting these positive trends, with strong buyer interest and low inventory. On the rental side, Sydney is seeing steady growth, with house rent up 1.3% and unit rent rising 3.1%, maintaining gross yields at approximately 3.1%. Good news for investors and landlords alike. Looking locally, suburbs like Mount Colah, Asquith, Wahroonga and Hornsby continue to attract buyers drawn to lifestyle benefits, schools and transport links. We're seeing strong engagement and multiple offers on quality properties. With the RBA expected to ease rates soon, we anticipate increased buyer activity in the coming months, making now an ideal time for sellers to capitalise on limited stock and buyers to act ahead of a possible surge. So, what does this mean for you? If you're selling, reduced competition means your property can stand out and achieve premium results. If you're buying, acting now could mean securing a home before borrowing conditions improve further and prices gain additional momentum. That's all for this week's update. If you want to talk about how these market conditions can affect your property plans here in Hornsby Shire, feel free to reach out.